Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you the cabinetry that I will use in my dollhouse kitchen in the gigantic dollhouse that I bought for $30 at the community yard sale. At first I had been undecided, and I created a video in which I was sharing with you that I was undecisive about where would I put the kitchen. Would I use this room as the kitchen or this one, which is smaller, and I would lose my office space. I wanted to put an office space here, but I would lose it if I used the smaller space for the kitchen. But I thought of something better. Instead of making the kitchen here, for a big house like this, I think I would rather use this space for the kitchen and still have my beautiful big dining room, and maybe still make an area for a desk, a study area. But I would have to divide the room, and that's okay. So I would use this space here for the dining set, separate from the kitchen. Now I happen to have these little cabinets here that I found at Amazing Savings. It's amazing what I find in this store. But these were about $2.99 each, and they have a plexiglass sliding door, as you can see. I can even place little knobs there and everything, handles, so it can look better. And I placed some food there. I was just kind of like experimenting to see how this would look. And I think one cabinet can go in that corner, the appliances here, and maybe place this one up here like that. You know what I'm saying? So this could be for the dinnerware, and I would switch the food to this cabinet here. So that is just an idea, but most likely will be the plan. So this is the perfect cabinetry for this kitchen. So stay tuned, because I will come back soon with the colors. What will I use for this kitchen? What color will I use for this kitchen? I already know, but I cannot say yet. So just stay tuned, and thank you for watching.